one aspect of my business is that I'm an action photographer. I take photos primarily of motocross racers. And these are guys from all over New England. And I might shoot 1,000 pictures to 2,000 pictures at one race. Every racer has a number. And so I know the date that they're racing. I know the track they're racing at. I know the organization that's having the race. And I know the racer's number. So now I need a way for the racer to find his pictures online very quickly. And this is a huge, huge problem for event photographers. Anybody that shoots any kind of event where there's a number involved. This could be car racing, motorcycle racing, road racing, almost anything. It's such a large problem that I said, okay, well, this obviously needs a database solution. And I started looking around. And I actually wrote a specification, went out to bid with a number of different programmers, looking because I didn't think I had the time to learn to write PHP and ASP code, which is the way I was going. And the bids came back at 5 times my budget, and my budget was $10,000 to build this application. At that point, I said, okay, I've got to write it myself. And I started looking around, and I found Alpha 5, Alpha software on the web. At that time, I had heard of Alpha. I remembered Alpha from years back when I used to write DBase code. And to me, they were a desktop database application vendor. I had no idea that they had the web components that they do right now. So I downloaded the evaluation copy of Alpha 5 through the web. And within an hour, I was able to prove to myself that I had a web application up and running that could do what I wanted to do. And that blew me away. And one of the concerns I had as a developer was, am I going to regret going down this path, learning Alpha 5, spending the time to learn this new software and learn this new development environment? And you know, if this program's so great, well, how come I haven't heard about it? That kind of thing. And you know, I have learned that it was a great decision to head down that path to learn this product. I encourage every developer that's thinking about any kind of database on the web, download the evaluation version that you can get right off the website and work with it, play with it, see what you can do with it, and you'll just be blown away. And this is really the Turbo Pascal for web development. It actually makes web development fun. You know, you go out there and just try things. It's interactive. You know, the way I like to develop is I like to try something out and say, oh, okay, well, let me see how that works. Well, with Alpha 5 for the web, I can do it. It's real simple. I mean, it's very, very interactive, and you know, I just think it's awesome.